So I have created an amazing support application for my team internally for my organization within just 10 minutes, and that too without even using a single line of code or any programming knowledge. Now, with the help of this software, my team can effectively and efficiently manage all the tickets that we are receiving through support emails. So whenever we will receive the emails, automatically the tickets will be created over here. Then the tickets will be assigned different status, and everything like a support team could be managed with this app. And the best part is I have not created this app, as I told you, with any coding or programming, and the entire setup is just done under 10 minutes with the help of Pabbly Studio. So I'm going to quickly show you in this video that how to create your apps, your games, or even your landing pages using Pabbly Studio, and that too without any coding, any programming knowledge, just in few minutes, and your apps, your landing pages, or even your games could work perfectly. Okay, so let's start building our application. So let's click on this create app button to create our support software, and here I'm going to give a name to my application which will be visible every time, which will be the name of the app. So here, because I am creating the support application, again I'm going to give the name as Supportly. Okay, and now when I'm going to click on create, here the process of creating and building the app is started. So now in the chat panel, we have to describe and tell everything, every single detail, that what kind of app we want to create. Okay, so it should include for whom we are creating the app, how it should look, how it should work, everything. Even if you want to select the colors of your app, you can describe that over here in the interface section. Okay, so now I'm going to describe everything and each and every detail that I want in my application, basically all my ideas. Okay, not in any complex or difficult language, but just in simple conversational tone and language I'm going to use over here. So now the description of my app is going to look like. So this is the description. Create a modern and simple customer support ticket management app for small and medium-sized businesses, SaaS companies, online stores, agencies, and service-based businesses. It includes, the first paragraphs include what I want to create and for whom we are creating this. The app should have two sides, customer side and admin or support team side as well. The customer should be able to create a new support ticket, enter the subject and describe their problem. Okay, select a category such as technical issue, payment issue, account or general query, and select their priority. Upload an attachment or screenshot if there is any issue. Submit the ticket and receive a unique ticket ID. View all the tickets and track the status such as open, in progress, or resolved. View replies from the support team as well. Now what and how should admin's side look? Okay, so the support team should have a dashboard where they can view total, open, in progress, and resolve tickets. Okay, view all customer tickets in a table, search and filter tickets, assign tickets to team members, change ticket status and priority, open a ticket to see the complete conversation and attachments, reply to the customers, mark tickets as resolved. And now I'm going to provide the interface how it should look like. Okay, now I also want one more thing. I want to integrate Gmail in this app so that every time I'm going to receive an email on my email account, automatically the ticket should be created. Okay, I've also integrated Gmail with this app, and now I'm going to send this prompt. Okay, this looks like a technology app. Pick the theme to build. So I want this dark theme. I have selected that. Building with blockchain glow theme. So it has also asked me what interface should look like and what is a theme. Okay, I have selected according to my requirements. Now we have to simply wait and let the app create it for us, all according to our requirements. So let's wait for a few minutes. So now you can see that the app is started creating. All the steps that we have provided in the instructions one by one are getting summarized over here. And as each step will be completed, here you will see the striking off. Okay, so one by one all the steps will get strike off, and finally when the app will be created, here in this panel, in the preview panel, we will be able to see how our application is going to look and how is it going to work. Okay, and yes, you can see very easily my application named as Supportly is created, and it will look like this. In the preview, here we have a description: need help with something, create a support ticket, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible, or look up tickets you have already raised below. So even the customers or the users can find out their tickets which they have raised earlier by searching their email over here, and even they can create a new ticket directly. So the new tickets will be seen over here. My tickets column is also given over here. Then we have the support team section where the team can manage everything like their tickets, the open, the in progress, or the resolved tickets. And they can also directly go and view all the tickets. When we'll go towards customer side, like this it will look. So here basically as instructed, the application is created within two segments. First site is for the customers, and then we have the support team site as well. So here I can simply share this app with anyone, because when it is created, when it is deployed, it can be used by anyone. So we can simply copy this link address and provide it to anyone we want by sharing. Also we can open the app directly to use it. Okay. And here we have another option. If we do not want to use this Pabbly domain in the app link, we can also use our own domain. Okay. Currently, I'm going to use Pabbly domain only. And also, if I want to check how my app is going to look in multiple views, for example, here currently we have desktop site view. If I want to use it in tablet, it will look like this. If I want, I can also see the mobile view also as well. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the app and we will check whether it is created as per our instructions or no. Let's suppose I'm going to create an issue or a ticket. Let's say the name of the customer who is raising the support ticket is test user. The email is, let's suppose, payment completed but account is not activated. Here I'm going to describe the problem as well. Okay, the category will be payment related, priority will be high. And if I want to also, I can attach the screenshot, but I do not want it. So I'm going to submit the ticket right now. As the ticket is submitted, here I receive unique customer or ticket ID, as you can see. And here the status is open, the priority I have selected is high, category is also created, and the source is web form. So this is how my ticket is created. We have everything. And now when I'm going to go towards home, here you can see that the ticket count in total is 1, the open ticket is 1, and in progress. When I'm going to go towards support team, so here we can see that here we have a ticket. So now as a team member, person can work on this ticket, they can resolve it, and when they will complete the ticket, when they will resolve, they can also change the status. Okay, so if the team member has started working, they can mark it as in progress. If they have completed, they can mark it resolved. And here when the ticket is resolved, here we can see that the ticket got resolved. Okay. All right. So in this way, the support team could easily access the software. They can work on it and easily manage all the support tickets, resolve the customer queries and issues, and satisfy the customers, keep them happy, as well as reduce refunds, because when the tickets will be easily created by the customers, they will be also satisfied, and also the team could work on them closely, resolve the tickets quickly as per the time instructed, and the work will be easily operated. And also as an admin, I can also check whether the support team is working properly and the customer's ticket are getting resolved within time span or no. Okay, so in this way you can also very easily create this amazing application. Not only this application, but you can create n number of applications according to different ideas you have using Pabbly Studio. And as you can see, we have not used any coding and programming skills. In the same way, you can also build your apps. Thank you for watching the video.